If you've lived in India, chances are that you might have come across stray dogs, cats, or even cows roaming around on roads, struggling to find any speck of food, being shooed away, or ill-treated by people. It is indeed a heartbreaking sight for anyone, especially for people with deep compassion and love for animals. But have you ever thought, are these animals supposed to be left on streets? Do they have any rights? Do we have any law that ensures their protection? As a matter of fact, we do. And then that's what we're going to talk about today. Welcome back everyone, for Women in India is back with another video, and in today's video we're going to tell you all about animal rights and laws made for their protection in India. To begin with, the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act 1960 provides for punishment in the form of fine as well as imprisonment in case of subsequent offence for treating animals cruelly. Wildlife Protection Act 1972 also prohibits hunting certain wild animals specially mentioned in the Act like hyena, nilgai, wild pig, black buck, etc. Hunting includes killing or poisoning of any wild animal or captive animal and every attempt to do so, capturing, coursing, snaring, trapping, driving or baiting any wild or captive animal and every attempt to do so, injuring or destroying or taking any part of the body of such animal, or in the case of wild birds or reptiles, damaging the eggs of such birds or reptiles, or disturbing the eggs or nets of such birds or reptiles. Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, Transport of Animals on Foot Rules 2001 further prohibits usage of whip or a stick or application of chilies or any substance to any part of the body of the animal used for transportation on foot, sight which is extremely common in India. These rules require age and certain health conditions to be taken into consideration before using animals for transportation on foot. You might be surprised to know that testing drugs on animals is not just cruel and morally wrong, but it is also legally banned, as Drugs and Cosmetic Rules 1945 also bans cosmetics tested on animals. As per Section 428 and 429 of the Indian Penal Code, a person can be punished for maiming or killing or causing injury to any animal. Animal Welfare Board of India also issues identity cards to caretakers of stray animals. The registration forms for obtaining these identity cards are available on the board's website. Earlier this year, in a positive move, the Supreme Court upheld a Delhi High Court order allowing residents to feed stray dogs in their residential areas. The Delhi High Court had previously stated that animals have a right under the law to be treated with compassion, respect, dignity, and that their protection is the moral responsibility of each and every citizen, including the government and non-governmental organizations. It was further stated, community dogs, stray street dogs, have the right to food and citizens have the right to feed community dogs. But in exercising this right, care and caution should be taken to ensure that it does not impinge upon the rights of others or cause any harm, hindrance, harassment, and nuisance to other individuals or members of the society. Last but not the least, we must not forget that it is our fundamental duty as Indian citizens to have compassion for living creatures. While there are all these laws that I just mentioned, we must keep in mind that all of us can play an important role in improving the safety and well-being of stray animals around us. The least we can do is treat them with respect and not scare them or throw stones at them or do anything to harm them. Treating them respectfully takes nothing away from us. Secondly, we can keep a record of all the local animal welfare organizations or NGOs working for treating and rescuing stray animals and even sharing them on social media, so that whenever you see an animal which is in need or in need of medical treatment or care, you know who to call instead of abandoning them. And that's all from our side, but like before we end the video, we would like to thank all the animal lovers and give a special shout out to them who are doing their part by feeding, helping, or taking care of animals in any way. You all are doing a great job and inspiring all of us to be a better human being. Thank you. I hope you found the video useful, and if you do, please share it with your friends and like the video. If there are any more laws that you know about or would like to share any tip for taking care of stray animals, please share them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive notification of our latest video. If you like our work, please do consider contributing in our Patreon page. The link is in the description box.
Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update.